Hi, I'm Catherine. I'm from the US. I just finished today my 200-hour teaching course from Vinyasa Yogashala. I came to Rishikesh and I knew I wanted to study yoga, but here there are so many different yoga schools to choose from. And I was researching which one would be best, and it really didn't take me long because I just got the best feeling from Vinyasa Yogashala, and I'm so glad that I picked them for my course. I've met friends for a whole lifetime. I went on some amazing excursions. We went to do yoga on the beach. We went to the Beatles ashram. We went to a lovely picnic. And then all of the classes, all of the teachers they're so dedicated to what they do. And I learned so much. And I'm so excited to go home and share everything I've learned. And I'm filled with gratitude at how beautiful this transformational experience really was for me. And if you're thinking about doing it and you're on the fence about doing it, just do it because it was amazing. Thank you. Namaste.